Today we'll be reviewing the Funesla RoundNet game, and this game comes with all the pieces, the net, the 3 balls that you can inflate, and also a bag to use to carry it, and the net. So you also have the manual, and the first thing you're going to do is have to pump up those balls. Those balls are so easy to pump up. They're like mini volleyballs that you can just use on the net. Now after that, I'm just going to secure the round netting area. Very easy to do. Once I've secured that round netting area, this is what it looks like. Then I just put in the net. Now for Funesla round net game is like volleyball, but volleyball on the ground. This is a great game to use at a picnic. You can pack it up and take it wherever you want to go. It's very portable, and after you've put all the netting in there, this is what it looks like, and it's time to play. So what you do with this game is the first person to reach 21 points win, and then you can keep on playing forever and ever. This is such a wonderful game. It's a game for everybody, for the family, children, adults, and I absolutely love it. And once we're done, we can just pack it away in our bag and ready for the next game.